Foundation refers to the Foundation Blockchain Network, a decentralized computing platform designed to support smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. It was created by a Swiss-based nonprofit organization called the Foundation for Interwallet Operability, FIO. To make money online with Foundation in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Understand the basics. Learn about blockchain technology, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies. Familiarize yourself with Foundation's unique features, such as its governance model and the Flow token. 2. Create a digital wallet. Set up a secure digital wallet to store your Foundation tokens. You can use official Foundation wallets like Cathy or third-party wallets like Trust Wallet or Atomic Wallet. 3. Acquire Flow tokens. Purchase Flow tokens from reputable cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Ensure you have a verified account and follow the exchange's KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, procedures. 4. Staking. Stake your Flow tokens to earn rewards. As you hold and participate in the network's consensus process, you will receive staking rewards in the form of additional Flow tokens. 5. Delegate. Become a delegate or vote for a delegate to participate in the Foundation consensus process. Delegates help validate transactions on the network and earn rewards. If you become a delegate, you can charge a small fee for users who delegate through you. 6. Develop dApps. If you have programming skills, consider developing decentralized applications on the Foundation network. You can monetize your dApps by charging users for access or incorporating in-app purchases. 7. Invest in dApps. Support promising dApps by investing in their native tokens. As these projects grow, their tokens may increase in value, allowing you to sell them for a profit. 8. Participate in governance. Foundation has a democratic governance model where token holders can vote on proposals to shape the network's future. By actively participating in governance, you can influence decisions that may lead to increased token value. 9. Trade and speculate. Trade Flow tokens, one cryptocurrency exchanges to capitalize on price fluctuations. However, remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and trading carries risks. 10. Educate and promote. Share your knowledge and experience with others through blog posts, social media, or YouTube videos. You can earn money by offering online courses, consulting services, or affiliate marketing for related products and services. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies and making money online carries risks. Always do your research, invest responsibly, and stay updated on the latest developments in the Foundation ecosystem.